Want to use GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet without paying? Here's how to access them for free step-by-step. Go to chat.openai.com and create an account if you don't have one. OpenAI sometimes offers free access to GPT-4o in the ChatGPT free plan or trial tiers. After logging in, select GPT-4o from the model dropdown and start new chat. Type your prompt, and GPT-4o will generate responses. Go to Claude AI and sign up for an Anthropic account. Once verified, log in and select Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the free tier version of Claude 3.5. Start a new chat, type your prompt, and Claude will generate responses. The free version has usage limits, but works perfectly for casual use. Now you know how to access GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet for free and start generating content immediately. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.